In today's manufacturing environment, it's more than just maintaining machines on the plant floor. Manufacturers are also being tasked with integrating multiple expanding technologies, while evolving customers' expectations are placing more demand on responding quicker and flexibly to product requirements. In addition, manufacturers are attempting to collect more data, while managers are looking toward enterprise-wide visibility for quicker decision-making. The goal today then becomes leveraging an architecture that's efficient, adaptable, and built for future factories to solve these challenges. Introducing the Omron Sysmac Automation Platform, designed to seamlessly integrate advanced machine control, safety, robotics, vision systems, and enterprise connectivity to the plant floor. The platform focuses on flexibility and scalability by offering users a single software package, open industrial Ethernet protocols, and a holistic approach to control that integrates all the automation technologies into one ecosystem. Designed with future factories in mind by incorporating AI, machine learning, Industry 4.0, traceability, and predictive maintenance technologies. Today, engineers and technicians wear many hats due to the complexities brought on by expanding technologies on the plant floor. Often this requires integration across multiple vendors' programming environments and communication configurations. The Sysmac platform provides an ecosystem that integrates all the disciplines of automation. From safety to AI to robotics, engineers and technicians can focus their time and expertise on systems and solutions instead of integration and configuration. At the core of the Sysmac platform is the controller, one integrated controller designed to meet extreme requirements in terms of logic, sequence, and motion control speed and accuracy, while standard programming and open networks make it easy to build your automation needs. The machine automation controller integrates logic, motion, safety, robotics, vision, information, visualization, and networking under one software, Sysmac Studio, providing a true integrated development environment. With integrated safety, manufacturers simplify and verify safety systems with ease. Safety integrated into one program with standard controls, along with validation and programming tools, streamline safety system design and setup. Integrated HMI within one Sysmac project leverages shared tags and pre-built objects and simplifies visualization for control systems. Advanced features such as simulation and VB.NET programming enhance troubleshooting and application capabilities. Integrated robotics and controls optimize cycle design and reduce application development time. One processor for all, combined with EtherCAT communications, eliminate communication cycle time delays. With integrated vision, programming is simplified within Sysmac Studio. Tight integration between motion and vision systems improves machine performance. With integrated motion, machine performance is maximized with EtherCAT communications and periodic cyclic tasks, while programming standards and configuration tools simplify implementation and reduce design time. With integrated I/O, manufacturers improve speed and accuracy for machine performance, including options for both Ethernet IP and EtherCAT with ability to easily mix safety and standard I/O. Technology isn't the only thing adding complexity to the plant floor. The consumer demands have also changed and continue to evolve. Trends such as mass customization, lot size one, and increased supply chain integration are requiring manufacturers and equipment builders to be more flexible than ever and will continue in the future. The Sysmac platform simplifies manufacturing for users to implement the ultimate goal of creating a flexible factory. From Sysmac Studio's software design tools and simulation to scalable components for building modular machines, the Sysmac platform helps users respond to their customers' and partners' new and changing needs more efficiently. Created to give you complete control over your automated system, the platform's Sysmac Studio software integrates configuration, programming, monitoring, and simulation, saving you time in design and setup. The Smart Editor with online debugging helps create quick and error-free programming, while advanced 3D simulation and data trace reduce machine tuning and setup time. In addition, the Sysmac library provides a collection of software functional components like function blocks for advanced applications, including motion control, cutting programming time. Support is easy with many benefits, such as a one-time license fee, free phone support, no maintenance fees, free 30-day trial, and Team Edition, which offers collaborative programming and version control. As we look towards the factory of the future, manufacturers are striving to make more data-driven decisions, with an impulse to collect as much data as possible and hope that something magical happens. But the true challenge is capturing meaningful data that is actionable. The onus falls on machine builders and automation engineers to get data from machines securely, quickly, and with integrity. The Sysmac platform is inherently built for data and analytics. The platform's architecture, multidiscipline control, and superior processor technology provides time series data intrinsically. At the heart of the Omron Sysmac platform is its architecture, which leverages two open industrial Ethernet protocols. We have the best of both worlds, Ethernet IP and EtherCAT. Ethernet IP is very flexible, which makes it great for sharing data between many applications, while EtherCAT provides optimal performance and ease of use at the machine level. In addition to this, I/O link capabilities provide an easy way to collect data from sensors, giving us more information. All three of these networks converge within the Sysmac controller as a central data and control point, with one place to look for status monitoring, control, and diagnostics. Solutions for direct SQL connectivity, OPC UA, and MQTT function blocks make it easy for automation and OT folks to provide data in a format that IT groups are looking for. When the application demands the speed and responsiveness of edge computing, the AI controller provides anomaly detection that runs in parallel to the controls engine for real-time response within the control program. The Sysmac platform is a multidisciplinary concept which allows you to simplify solution architecture, reduce programming, optimize productivity, and minimize time to market. Designed to better optimize your entire automation lifecycle, built on integrated control and data, all in a single software environment.